to the channel. It's Sunday again. Welcome back to the Sunday Forex analysis. Let's start with the pair what I trade last week. It's USD Here I had an idea that to trade this pair on the bullish side long, but like as I see is get me here actually with this candle. So I'm still bullish on this pair because I see it kind of make like head and shoulders pattern here on 4 hours. It's also still creating this right shoulder, I think so, because if here is like left head and this is our right shoulder, we are just now trying to get any support from these lines here, and hopefully if we get the support we're gonna see this one to the upside. Still for now I'm looking for bullish confirmation for this pair, so that's a loss, and actually I hit 2 weeks losing streak, but it is what it is in this game, so that's never mind because I'm managing to protect my capital, and I'm managing to protect my capital and I'm still profitable on my account, so that's the really what is matters in this game, to protect your capital and to play this game as long as possible. So that was for the last week. Let's start with the first pair, which is gonna be AUDJPY. So here is pretty simple. Weekly we are bullish, daily we are bullish for now, and 4 hours is creating this left head right shoulder potentially. So I'm just looking if the price is breaking out this zone here, so I'm gonna wait for my confirmation candlestick and I'm gonna buy from this zone. So this trade is actually looking very good because it has a lot of potential to go to the zones here. We never know, so we'll see what is gonna be. So the next one is gonna be NZD So NZD here I'm looking for sales positions because on daily we are bearish, on 4 hours we're bullish, but we have to make this move, potential move, to this zone here or this zone, and I still don't know, rejecting EMA and potentially is going to the downside. So the next one is gonna be cut JPY. So here we are for now bearish on weekly, bearish on daily, and looks like bearish on 4 hours. So I'm just waiting to get to this zone, maybe any of these zones, I still don't know, so hopefully it's not getting through here. because his potential to weak me out from the game, but we'll see. So cut JPY, I'm looking for a sales for the new week. So the next one is gonna be GBP JPY. Here I'm looking for sales as well. So on daily we are bearish, and weekly we are bullish for now, but we are waiting just to see any rejections from here. So it could be any of these lines here, could potentially go to these zones here, retest them, and then go downside. So we never know. I'm waiting for any of these zones potentially. As I see, this bullish candle is not looks so good on daily, and 4 hours we have this little head and shoulders pattern, but we'll see what is gonna be in the next week. So next one is Euro JPY. Euro JPY, which I'm looking for sales. Daily were bearish, and 4 hours were bearish for now. So I'm looking to get to any of these zones here and potentially to take the trade to the downside. So we never know where it's gonna stop. So that's why we have to wait until now. I see here on daily is nice morning star formation, which is bullish candlestick. Here on 4 hour we can see little head and shoulders, something like this. So the next one is gonna be USD JPY, and I think we are finishing with the JPY pairs. So here I'm looking to sell this pair because on daily we are bearish, and here on 4 hours we're bearish as well, but I'm looking to get any rejections from here, and just to tell me that this is the finish of the move, but we never know, could potentially go, of course, and to this side. Let me show you this side and then go downside. We never know. But that is the trading, so it's always 50-50% chances. That's why we have to have a strategy, confirmation candlesticks, and patterns to recognize the market what is telling us just now. Let me see which one is gonna be the next one. So the next one is gonna be NZD CAD. So here on NZD CAD daily we're bullish, 4 hours is bullish. I'm just waiting for any retracement, maybe here. So this trade is actually for now, for me, is not looking very nice because it can go here and then go to the upside. So we'll see how it's gonna be on 4 hours to have our shift of structure from bearish to bullish, and on daily to see nice rejection candlestick. and then to trade this trade to the upside. So the next one is AUD USD. AUD USD daily is bullish, and 4 hours for now is like kind of mixing between bullish and bearish. I can see here nice inverted head and shoulders on daily is kind of something like inverted head and shoulders, and on weekly it looks like we are bullish, and this is for that pair, so I'm looking to take this pair to the upside. So the next one is gonna be AUD NZD, which I'm looking here to sell that pair because this pair definitely have to make some retracement. I don't know yet when it's gonna be that, so could potentially go from here to the upside. We never know. Just what this looks like from 4 hours. It's bearish with something like head and shoulders. I'm gonna wait for a daily candlestick to see how it's closed, and on 4 hours as well. So that is for this idea. I'm looking to sell AUD NZD. The next one is gonna be Euro NZD, so here I'm looking to sell also Euro NZD because this pair have to make this retracement definitely after this bullish move. And here is looks like it's loading up this trade, so I'm gonna wait for a nice rejection from this zone. 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, whatever is looks more clean, and after that to take this idea to the downside. So next one is gonna be Euro GBP, which here I want to show you something. Actually, I never took this trade, this one and this one. Just I was placing something what I'm like not learning, but what I'm checking from the market, or this is something like idea. Uh, is not upgrade, but I see some things which here left head right shoulder. As I said, I never tried, I never opened this position, so that's why I'm gonna delete it. But before I delete it, just I was placing this random uh, path just to like mark up if any rejection from this zone, and we can see little head and shoulders in the big head and shoulders of the right shoulder is creating here trade beautifully to the downside. I'm deleting this idea now, and here is another idea which it makes this move on the daily. So here I never place also this trade, and it plays out very nice. I'm gonna delete it. Sometimes that's happened when you place just like, I can't say random, but we testing some, you test something like also with your strategy, and you see it plays out, but we never know which trade is gonna give you the best reward or something like this. So that's why we try our best to make the best decision what is possible. So here is just very simple. I'm gonna wait this to go to the upside and then to the downside, because on weekly it's bullish, daily it's bearish, and 4 hour is bearish as well. But it have to make this move just probably to here, and after that, if it's okay, to go to the upside. So the next one, it's gonna be, let me have a look, Euro AUD. I think this is the last one, Euro AUD. So here on Euro AUD, on weekly we are bullish, daily we are bearish, and 4 hours we are bearish for now. So probably I'm gonna wait on daily just to have any rejection from here and then to take this trade to the downside. But as I showed you, so it was so many pairs for the upcoming week. So we're gonna set our alarms, and just I'm gonna watch for any of these potential trades to give me like the best sign that I'm gonna trade this trade, for example, to the upside or to the downside. I don't have any favors for now, so I'm gonna watch also this one if it's everything is okay with the US government, and to go to the upside. So that was for this Sunday analysis, guys. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are not, you can subscribe, and see you next Sunday.